For decades, companies have been on a digital journey, using technology to gain better access to information, make business processes more efficient, and delight customers with innovative experiences. We all make the journey in our own time, but one thing is for certain: technology is advancing faster than ever before. Those of us farther along the path to digital transformation are able to adapt quickly and innovate rapidly to maintain a competitive advantage. Cloud computing significantly accelerated our ability to digitally transform business. It gave us better availability and scalability without the burden of managing IT infrastructure. But not all applications can or should run from the cloud. Latency and bandwidth limitations force us to run them where they're physically used for better, more reliable performance. At the same time, we are flooding our physical locations with technologies like IoT devices, environmental sensors, and video systems. The result is an explosion of computing and data being generated at the edge of our distributed networks. Connectivity, security, and privacy issues impose further constraints for centralized cloud processing. These challenges reveal the need for a new class of computing. The promise of edge computing is to bring applications closer to the people and things interacting with them, without sacrificing cloud-like ease of use, scalability, and high availability. Scale Computing delivers on that promise today. Scale Computing Platform is an all-in-one platform for running your edge applications. It replaces complex, costly, and difficult-to-manage solutions with a lightweight software stack. Designed for locations with no IT staff on site, autonomous, self-healing capabilities maximize the uptime and performance of your applications. Deployment, maintenance, and monitoring of your distributed edge environments are simplified using the cloud-like experience of the centralized management platform. Demand on your IT department actually goes down, even as you add more edge computing locations. Running critical applications on-premises instead of the cloud can seem risky. The last thing you want to do is create a new point of failure. Fortunately, Scale Computing Platform allows your applications to run independently, so they can survive a disruption in service from your centralized cloud or data center. Furthermore, advanced failure detection and mitigation technology constantly monitors for potential problems. When an issue is detected, Scale Computing Platform takes corrective action locally to minimize and even eliminate any impact on your applications. The problem and current status of mitigation are reported automatically to the management portal, and repair or replacement is scheduled for a convenient time. Managing a growing fleet of edge computing systems could be an IT nightmare. Deploying infrastructure in remote locations used to mean sending skilled technicians on-site, where they would spend hours setting up hardware and installing software. The process is taxing on IT departments and virtually unfathomable for large companies with hundreds or thousands of locations. But Scale Computing Platform eliminates all of that. With zero-touch provisioning, you simply ship gear directly to the remote location. Anyone at the site can plug it in. After powering on, the software registers with the centralized management platform, retrieves instructions from your deployment templates, and proceeds to set itself up. When the system is complete, it reports back and enters into operation. Expanding capacity and upgrading infrastructure at any given location is just as easy. New hardware is automatically incorporated into the environment and made available to existing workloads. Scale Computing Platform lets you mix and match different types and models of hardware and configure your additional compute resources to meet the specific needs of the system. Say goodbye to costly and complicated forklift upgrades and migrations. Even system updates are a no-downtime event, delivered automatically as a single, integrated, and fully tested rolling upgrade. Day to day, you have instant visibility into the state of your entire enterprise, highlighting issues that may require attention or jeopardize workload availability. From initial deployment, to capacity expansion, to hardware replacement, refresh, or retirement, Scale Computing Platform accommodates the needs of any edge deployment. Engineering simplicity is what we do, and making IT easier for you to manage is what we love.